Today, I am reviewing the PETKIT PuraMax 2 Automatic Self-Cleaning Cat Litter Box. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The PETKIT PuraMax 2 Automatic Self-Cleaning Cat Litter Box is not just a convenience for the pet owner but a significant upgrade to the quality of life for the cats living in the home. After living with this unit for several weeks, it has fundamentally changed the daily routine of pet care from a chore that required constant vigilance to a background process that is mostly managed through a smartphone. Many automatic litter boxes on the market suffer from design flaws that lead to messy leaks or lingering smells, but the PuraMax 2 addresses these issues head-on with its patented ShieldBase. This seamless design provides a 360-degree seal that prevents the common and frustrating problem of urine leaking into the internal machinery or pooling underneath the cylinder. Even for cats who tend to aim high or near the edges, the high-performance litter pad with its elastic edges ensures that everything stays exactly where it should. The safety system is perhaps the most impressive technical feat of this machine. With 7 infrared sensors and 4 weight sensors constantly monitoring the environment, the device is incredibly sensitive to a cat's presence. Whether a cat is fully inside or just curiously approaching the entrance, the cleaning cycle pauses instantly and remains idle until the area is clear. This level of redundancy provides a peace of mind that older or cheaper automatic boxes simply cannot offer. The anti-pinch structure is another thoughtful touch, ensuring the entrance remains open at all times so there is never a risk of a pet feeling trapped or getting stuck during a cycle. From a health perspective, the Smart App integration is a revelation. It does much more than just let you trigger a manual clean from your office. It identifies individual cats based on their weight and logs the frequency and duration of their bathroom visits. This data is invaluable because changes in these patterns are often the first sign of urinary tract issues or other health concerns that might otherwise go unnoticed for days in a traditional litter box. The interior is a massive 76 liters, which is plenty of room for larger cats up to 22 pounds, yet the entry height is low enough that older cats or those with limited mobility can step in without struggle. Odor control is the ultimate test for any litter box, and the PuraMax 2 excels here through a combination of physical sealing and active neutralization. The waste bin is remarkably well sealed, and when paired with the N52.0 odor remover, it manages to keep the air in the room fresh even in a multi-cat household. The 7-liter capacity of the waste drawer means that for a single cat, you can easily go up to 15 days without having to touch a trash bag. This makes it a perfect solution for pet parents who travel for work or just want to reclaim their weekends. One of the best practical features is its compatibility with almost any clumping litter. You aren't locked into expensive proprietary brands. Whether you prefer clay, tofu, or mixed clumping litters, the sifter handles them efficiently. The basic bundle comes with everything needed to get started, including the upgraded cylinder, trash bags, and even decorative stickers to help it blend into your home decor. It is important to remember to place it on a flat, hard floor rather than a carpet to ensure the weight sensors remain accurate. But once it is dialed in, the system is remarkably self-sufficient. The PETKIT PuraMax 2 is a high-end, reliable, and deeply intelligent appliance that proves that the days of manual scooping should be left firmly in the past. It offers a cleaner environment for the humans and a much more hygienic, consistently fresh space for the cats.